Are you ready to buy your first home in Canada? You are a new immigrant to the country. Buying a home is very stressful. How much savings you need? What are all the professionals you need to work with? If you have all those questions, this is the video for you where we'll educate you how you can smoothly buy your first dream home. Let's start the first and the foremost thing. Buying a home, when that thought comes into your mind, you're new to a country, you're working hard, trying to establish yourself. It's a very stressful feeling. I can understand that because me and my family went through that phase. But how we can have that journey smooth, how you can educate yourself and position yourself so it looks like a piece of cake for you. The first and the foremost thing is you need to understand how loan process that's called mortgages works in Canada, because it's really hard to buy a home with your own money until unless you're very ultra rich, you're buying the properties for cash. Specifically in Canada, if you talk about GTA, average price is already touching $1 million. It's hard to have your hard-earned money blocked in one home. So what most of the people do is they take the loan from a lender. Lender is a bank. You need to understand how much mortgage you can qualify for. It is based on your income, your credit history, all those factors are considered and calculations are done, and you are pre-approved how much mortgage you can take so that you can buy your home in that price range. Just an extra tip, when you're a new immigrant here, always save your credit score, because that establish you in Canada in the eyes of lenders. If the score is lower, on the lower side, it's hard to qualify. You'll get higher interest rate, even you won't qualify on the A side of the lending. This is an important factor to consider. So be very mindful when you are using your credit card. This is not a video on the credit, but we just thought of adding that point. So once you're good with your mortgage thing, if you're buying a property up to $500,000, you're just paying 5%, $500,000 to $1 million, 10%. One of the organizations like Genworth, CMSC, all those insured products, you need to buy that when you're paying less than 20%. If you're paying 20 or more than that, it's called conventional, where you're not paying that funding, but you qualify for more. So you need to understand all those nitty-gritty when you're purchasing first home, how much savings you have, what is your job status, and you can qualify for how much mortgage. That is important factor. Next important factor is looking for a home. What are the costs involved when you're buying your home? So you have the down payment ready, you qualified for a mortgage. You need to understand there is a closing cost involved, which is 1.5% of the purchase price if you're buying in Ontario province. We're not going to details because we have another video mentioned here which talked about all those closing costs, the mistakes you can avoid as first time home buyers. So when you're looking for a home, just keep that expense in your mind. Now you are ready for all those factors, but where to look a home for? There is a public website that's linked to our MLS system. It is called realtor.ca. That is a good starting point for you to start looking what type of homes are coming in the market, what location you want to buy, what's the typical price range. So you are educated and well versed on that platform. It'll definitely help you in your journey of finding a home. Okay, you did your own research, all those things are working smooth. You're a busy person working 9 to 5, weekends are always busy doing laundries and groceries. What you need now is you need to work with a professional, experienced team who can hand hold you and educate and make your journey smooth. I talked in the starting, buying a home is a very stressful process, but you need to understand in Canada or in North America, if you work with an experienced person, your life will be very smooth, whichever industry you are with, because you work with a professional. They educated about the system. Most of the time, these real estate agents, they coordinate all your efforts where they can help you, and they have the team set up where they can let you know what of the mortgage you can qualify. They have the connections, or they have the in-house team on the qualification for your mortgage. They have the good connections in buying the property, and further they have the network of lawyers, home insurance, contractors, all that team available. So you need to select your power team. I call it experienced power team very wisely, who can educate you in your largest purchase of your life, because it's your first home, you're excited, but you need somebody who can educate on this process and save you from all the mistakes that you can make. But how to find a good real estate agent? The best part is always talk to your friends and family. Talk to them how was their experience working with their real estate agent, and you can work with their reference. Another most important thing is search online and get their reference. The people who are on the social media platform, they are helping you, they are educating you. This means they have experience in the industry, so you can get their reference, book a meeting, and then talk about your experience. If you are comfortable, then you sign up with their professional real estate team. That's a very important decision of your life. Thanks again. Thanks for watching our another educating video. Do post your comments how you feel about it. We are more than happy to create more educating content for you. Thank you.